Tenses are used in English to indicate when an action or event is happening. There are 12 tenses in English, divided into 3 main categories: past, present, and future. I'll explain each of them in an easy way. Now let's start with present tenses. Let's have a look at 4 tenses. Present simple, present continuous, present perfect, present perfect continuous. The first one is the present simple tense, and it's very easy. It is used to talk about habits, facts, and general statements. Present continuous tense that describe an action that are happening right now. The present perfect tense. We use it to talk about past events that have a result at the present. The present perfect continuous tense. This tense is used to describe an action that started in the past and continues to the present moment. For example, I talk to you. This is a present simple tense. I am talking to you. This is a present continuous tense. I have talked to you. This is a present perfect tense. I have been talking to you. This is a present perfect continuous tense. How do we form it? We have the subject plus base form of the verb. But in the third person singular we add an s. Look at this. We say I go, we eat, they run, you watch. But, for he, she, it, we use goes with an s at the end. The s is necessary at the end of a verb when the subject is he, she, or it. We say he eats, she goes, it runs, he watches. Look at this. We say, I speak, you speak, we speak, they speak. But, for he, she, it, we use speaks with an s at the end. I speak English. She speaks English. You cannot say he speak English. No, this is not correct. We need an s at the end of the verb. We say, he speaks English. This is correct. Look at this verb. We say I have, you have, we have, they have, but for he, she, it we use has. We do not say haves. No, because the verb is irregular. Look at these examples. I have a good idea. You have black hair. Ali has blue eyes. She has a dictionary. It's important to remember that the verb to be has its own forms, like I am, we are, you are, they are, he is, she is, it is. We use the present simple to describe an action that is regular, true or normal. I'm 19 years old. I'm a student. He lives in London. I play football every weekend. They often have mistakes in their tests. The human body contains 206 bones. Something that is true happens regularly in the present. If you did, click like and subscribe to our channel, so you know when we create new lessons to help you improve your English. Have an awesome day.